Well, happy Friday, everybody. It is March 27th. Welcome to freetradingvideos.com. This is Matador. And I wanted to go through again, kind of just do our typical noonday report. But looks like people are taking some profits here after this big run up into resistance. And that's kind of the top story. Consumer spending was up for a second straight month, which is good news, but we still gapped down and are actually kind of trending lower. I'll show you that in a second. Other news, KB Home reports a loss in the first quarter. Obama is seeking input from bank CEOs. Obama says automakers need drastic changes. He's planning to announce a new aid package for GM and Chrysler in the coming days. Says they need to make some pretty drastic changes. So here's the intraday picture of the S&P 500 tracking index. Again, a nice gap down and run down to the $82 mark, 81.50 area, back up to the 82.50 area. Again, we've talked about this over the last few days as being a fairly significant area of resistance. Kind of starting off on the daily chart. So here's that gap fill from back here, kind of just reiterating now. We're just chopping around sideways. Nice Friday trading action. Seeing a move up today would have been very, very interesting, but at least we have now tested away some of this overhead resistance. I will be looking for a higher swing low now on an intraday basis. If we get more of a sell-off here, then we'll still be looking for a higher swing low and hopefully get a high base breakout above the 100 MA in this gap. Next stops up in this level would be around the $87 mark. So we'll see if we can get that. If not, again, looking for a higher swing low, and we'll see where it goes. This morning, even on this rally that we had gotten, interesting to watch what the TRIN and the TRINQ were doing in the TRIN-Q. All day long, we were up above in the 2 area, so not a good time to go long. We did come back down to the 1 level, so that's at least neutral, or in the neutral area, and now we're starting to head back up again on this little bit of a sell-off. The TRIN-Q spent most of the day above 1.0, but now has just dipped below 1, so that's a little bit of a divergence between the two. We'll watch that carefully. And of course, the good news here is that even though the VIX spiked in the morning, it has been selling off. And that can lead to some bullish action. But on a day like this, with the trends mixed, running up into resistance on a Friday before a weekend when people are taking profits, you know, just time to go do something else. Or look for, again, relative strength or weakness stocks. Always important. So, anyway, nice run around the markets. Trade safe and look for opportunities where they are. Try to avoid the pitfalls of trading as much as possible. And hope to talk to you soon. Thanks for your comments on the last videos. And look forward to D7's video for the close and his weekend edition as well. I may end up doing one on a different subject. But stay tuned over the weekend, and I'll talk to you guys soon.